What is going on, you guys? This is Jacob the GM man back here with another video. Hope your 2018 has started out great, or if it hasn't, I hope you guys get there. Hopefully it's getting better. But this is going to be a quick little video or update of the 92. In the last video I told you we took it to our buddy to have everything checked over, all the fluids changed and everything. So it's finally back, as you can tell. What's all been replaced? We spent probably $1,300 on it just to make sure everything was good to go. But some new parts on the drive shaft. All the fluids have been changed. Some new parts up front. I don't know if you guys how well you can see that. I really need a flashlight of some sort. But I'll grab my phone real quick for a light. Some new parts over here. You guys will be able to see it here real soon. New tie rod ends. Some new bushings and stuff in there. So what I'm going to be doing here, you see it, some up in there, and what I'm going to be doing is taking off the old factory muffler on this, or exhaust system. The exhaust system me and my dad chose is the Diamond Eye 4-inch. It's got a 3.5-inch downpipe, I believe. So 3.5-inch downpipe to a 4-inch all the way out to the back here. Why we chose that one is I've done research, and every owner or everyone that has had a 6.5 said Diamond Eye is good. The exhaust brackets for them are kind of in weird locations, so I'm probably going to have to build it or fabricate up some of my own. But other than that, I have heard great things from Diamond Eye. I've looked on YouTube at some videos of some people that have had the Diamond Eye. I love the way it sounds on these trucks, so that's the first thing. If you're going to do an exhaust system setup or change something on your truck, I would highly recommend going to YouTube, looking or doing some research, looking up on YouTube what the quality is going to look like, what it's going to sound like, just basically do some research before you buy anything. But like I said, that's going to be changed. The rear end fluid has all been changed, all filters have been changed, so we should be good to go here. But what I'm going to be working on today is finishing out these cab corners. I'll be cutting this cancer out and making it perfect all the way around. So once we get our new cab corners, well, our cab corners are here already, but once we get our full rocker panels, I can go ahead and test fit everything and get it going. As far as other body work, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but we got a dent in there. I'm going to have to pull out the roof. He had a light bar up here if you've watched some of my other videos, so I'm going to come in, cut this little section out, all 4 of them, put some tape over it, take a razor blade or X-Acto knife, cut out the tape, lay it down on a piece of sheet metal, cut it out, test fit it, tack it, and then grind it down. So basically, nothing on this truck is going to be super hard to do. It's going to be a little time consuming on the rocker panels and cab corners, just making sure everything fits up. But I hope you guys enjoy these videos. Stay tuned for more. What else was replaced was power steering pump, some power steering lines. We got the new cooler lines in. Oh, let me get out of the light here. New cooler lines in right there. That's what everyone says replace first on those 6.5, so there they are. As far as engine work goes, I know I'm getting sidetracked here, but just bear with me. I'm probably going to take the turbo off. I might kind of clean it up some. I've been talking to some guys about painting this, painting here, and then I might take everything off and turn the fuel up just a tad. But that's probably about it. It runs really, really good now that we have had everything serviced and stuff. So hopefully you guys stay tuned. Feel free to ask any questions as I go along on this restoration. If you have any questions about changing rocker panels or cab corners or exhaust systems, anything, feel free to ask me. Hope you guys like this video, and be sure to stay tuned for more videos or updates on this truck. So you guys have a great day, make it a great year, start 2018 off right, and you guys be good and enjoy this video, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, we're back here. I'm probably just going to make this a continuum of the last video, but I started taking the exhaust apart. As you guys can see, it's hanging free. But what the previous owner did was, or whoever had the truck before him, went under and welded every single pipe together. As you can see, there's a weld, that's one big pipe, and then basically from this weld to about the down pipe, which ends about right in here, right here, there's a weld, and then it comes up to the down pipe. So what I'm gonna have to do is go under there with the Sawzall or a disc grinder, probably the Sawzall because it's a little bit bigger. The disc grinder, if I don't get a perfect cut all the way around, it's gonna be a pain in the ass. But go under there, cut it in sections, and pull it out. So I mean, it's not too bad. And then as far as the rocker panel, I did a little bit more trimming out. I got it all shaped up. I set my this new rocker panel in there, and I'm gonna probably have to tack weld it at the top and then bend it down, because I get the top fitted, the bottom sticks out probably yay much. So that's what I'm gonna have to do there. Probably grind this down, tack weld to get it all fitted in, get my body line where I want it here, and then go get in there and fix it. So as far as that goes, that's a little update on the the cab corner. I do have new inner rocker panels coming to fix those old ones, and then I mean, I'll probably put those in there first, just cut out the old ones and welded the new ones in exactly where the old ones were, and then I can test fit my cab corner, and then I'll test fit my full rocker panel just to make sure I get everything where it needs to be and lined up. So as far as that goes, that's about the only thing that I've got done so far. I've been working on it for probably an hour and a half to 2 hours, and I got the exhaust wiggled loose, and then I got that all shaped up to and I got that rocker panel fitted in there. But hopefully our new truck parts will be in hopefully the later part of this week, early part of next week, when it starts warming up, to where we can actually get out here and work on this. As far as the frame goes, we're going to do the exact same thing, just grind everything down, coat it, make sure everything's good. So as far as that goes, that's about it. So I'll probably make this a continuum of the last video, so I hope you guys enjoy these videos, and stay tuned for more on the 92 restoration. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Give my channel a thumbs up, please like, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching.